Picture this. It's 3 a.m. The power grid goes dead. Your cell phone has 0 bars, and a massive weather system or SHDF scenario is bearing down on your position. In that exact moment, your smartphone is nothing but an expensive paperweight. Communication isn't a luxury. It is the ultimate survival tool. Today, I'm covering 13 essential crisis-ready communication items on Amazon that every prepper and overlander in America needs to own right now to keep their family connected when the worst happens. We're looking at field-tested, grid-down capable gear designed for the toughest environments in the USA. And I saved the single most insane, military-grade Lifeline for last. Product number 13 could literally be the difference between life and death for your inner circle. Don't skip ahead. You need the operational context for each of these to build a true bulletproof comms loadout. Let's get into it. Most people mistakenly think their standard car radio or cell phone alerts will wake them up during a midnight disaster. They won't. When a tornado or flash flood strikes in the dark, seconds determine survival. That is why you need the Midland WR120B NOAA Emergency Weather Alert Radio. Coming in at around $35, this desktop lifesaver features over 60 distinct emergency alert types, including hazardous material spills and civil danger warnings. Weighing just 1 pound, it utilizes SAME localized programming architecture, meaning it won't trigger for a storm 3 counties away, only when a crisis hits your exact coordinates. Imagine a flash flood tearing through the Texas Hill Country while your family is sound asleep. This unit cuts through the dark with a 90 decibel siren before outdoor sirens even spin up. Let's start a debate in the comments. For a stationary home base camp, do you trust a dedicated desktop weather radio, or do you rely entirely on a handheld scanner? Let me know why. Now, if a desktop unit handles your early warnings, your next gap is long-term power failure. Most emergency radios die within 6 hours because their built-in batteries are completely underpowered. Enter the MOICO Solar Emergency Hand Crank Radio. Priced at roughly $45, this heavy-duty unit boasts a massive, genuine 12,000 mAh lithium battery. It features a giant 8,500 square millimeter high-efficiency solar panel and an upgraded hand crank built with a reinforced copper coil that doubles charging efficiency. Weighing 1.2 pounds, it gives you crisp AM/FM/NOAA reception alongside a 260-foot beam flashlight. Imagine you're riding out a Category 4 hurricane on the Florida coast. The grid is down for weeks. This multi-powered beast keeps you swimming in intelligence and charges your comms gear simultaneously. Hand crank or solar backup. If you could only have one charging method in a true grid-down scenario, which one are you betting your life on? Moving from home defense to off-grid deployment, relying on cellular networks when you cross county lines is a rookie mistake. Once you lose line of sight with the towers, you are completely on your own. That is where the Garmin inReach Mini 2 becomes mandatory gear. Retailing around $400, this ultra-lightweight Titan weighs an astonishing 99 grams and connects to the 100% global Iridium satellite network. It delivers true two-way text messaging, live GPS location tracking via MapShare, and an IPX7 water-resistant housing with a battery life that lasts up to 14 days. Picture yourself solo overlanding deep into the rugged Rocky Mountains, completely out of cellular range, when your vehicle suffers a catastrophic mechanical failure. One press of the recessed SOS button links you instantly to a 24/7 staffed Global Rescue Coordination Center, two-way satellite texting, or a heavy-duty HF ham radio setup, which is the ultimate bug-out communication tool for modern overlanders. If you want absolute communication freedom without paying a monthly subscription fee, standard consumer walkie-talkies will fail you the second terrain gets rough. You need to step up to the Baofeng UV5 or dual-band two-way radio. At an unbelievable price point of about $25, this legendary piece of tactical hardware operates on both VHF and UHF frequencies, giving you access to thousands of emergency repeater networks across America. It packs 128 programmable channels, a rugged 1,800 mAh battery that delivers a solid 72-hour operational life, and a tough IPX7 rated weather-resistant build. Imagine a worst-case scenario where local infrastructure collapses in the Pacific Northwest. The UV5R allows your neighborhood watch team to coordinate across vast distances using local ham repeaters. Let's settle the classic debate. Is the Baofeng UV5R the absolute best budget prepper radio ever made? Or is it too complex for beginners? Sound off. While ham radios are elite, handing a complex programmed radio to an untrained family member during a crisis is a recipe for disaster. If they can't use it instantly, it's useless. That is why you need a foolproof team setup like the Baofeng PX 888S walkie-talkies 4-pack. For around $40 for the entire kit, you get 4 pre-configured, battle-ready radios operating on clean UHF frequencies. Key specs include 16 preset channels, a solid 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery providing up to 96 hours of standby time, and built-in Vox for hands-free operations. Imagine bugging out in a multi-vehicle convoy through a chaotic urban gridlock. These impact-resistant radios let your entire group stay in constant, encrypted tactical contact without touching a single complicated button. For close-range security, do you prefer a sleek earpiece headset or a traditional shoulder mic for your tactical loadout? Quick pause, I want to show you something. Look at this chart. Over 95% of you watching right now are not subscribed to Gear Lab. That means you found this video, you're absorbing this survival intel, but you're going to completely miss our next drop. The hidden Amazon gear deals, the field tests, and the crisis alerts we share with our inner circle only. The prepared community is built by people who show up and commit. Hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment saying crew so I know you're locked in. Let's get right back to the gear. If you find yourself wading through a flooded, grid-down environment, dropping your primary walkie-talkie into a water hazard shouldn't mean losing your lifeline. Most consumer radios will short out and sink straight to the bottom like a brick. The Retevis RB48 Emergency Two Way Radio is engineered to change that. Priced around $50 for a 2-pack, these tactical lifelines are certified to strict MIL, STD, 810H standards and carry an IP67 waterproof rating. Weighing under a pound, they feature an ultra-tough buoyant design that floats, an impressive 20-hour battery runtime powered by a 2,000 mAh lithium-ion core, and a glove-friendly dual PTT interface. Imagine navigating an urban flash flood zone or a rain-slicked trail in the Pacific Northwest. The built-in vibration alert ensures you never miss an incoming transmission over the roaring wind. Military durability standards or lightweight pocket mobility. Which feature do you prioritize higher when choosing your bug-out bag radios? When a crisis scatters your inner circle across a wide perimeter, managing crosstalk from neighboring units or civilian interference will completely paralyze your command architecture. That is why your civilian team needs the privacy of the MOICO T5 walkie-talkies. Retailing at a highly affordable $30 for a 2-pack, these license-free FRS radios unlock 22 channels combined with 99 CTCSS privacy codes, giving you over 2,100 clear frequency combinations. They feature a lightweight 7.4-ounce shockproof shell, a built-in LED flashlight, and an advanced 3-level Vox system for true hands-free operation. Picture your family managing a sprawling campsite or bug-out route across a 3-mile open field in the Colorado foothills. The high-fidelity speakers punch through ambient wind noise, so every order is heard with crystal-clear audio fidelity. For family preparedness, do you prefer high-visibility orange gear that's easy to find or low-profile tactical black? Let's hear your philosophy. When massive natural disasters like hurricanes or wildfires overwhelm regional cell towers, a lack of power and real-time intelligence will drive your household into immediate panic. The absolute baseline standard for off-grid intelligence is the RunningSnail MD-088S Emergency Hand Crank Radio. Priced at just $25, this legendary survival tool has been trusted by over 10 million Americans through real-world crises like Hurricane Harvey and the California wildfires. Weighing an ultralight 7.8 ounces with a pocket-sized 5-inch footprint, it packs a triple redundant power setup, hand crank generator, supplemental solar panel, and micro USB input charging. A single minute of turning that crank delivers 20 minutes of steady light or 10 minutes of crisp, DSP-driven NOAA weather broadcasts. Imagine your home completely cut off from municipal infrastructure for a week. This unit keeps your smartphone alive via its 2000 mAh power bank output. If the power grid goes down permanently, what is your secondary source for news after your local NOAA channels go offline? Standard emergency walkie-talkies rely on outdated disposable AAA batteries that corrode over time and always seem to fail at the worst possible moment. To break free from battery dependency, you need the MaxTalker MT10 rechargeable walkie-talkies. At around $35 for the complete 2-pack kit, this system features an upgraded, built-in 1,200 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery deck that entirely replaces disposable cells. Key specs include an incredible 72-hour standby capacity, a reliable 5-mile open-terrain signal range, and modern USB-C charging connectivity. Imagine a multi-day scouting expedition through dense national forests or operating at altitude in the Sierra Nevada mountains. The MT10 automatically scans local NOAA weather alerts while allowing your team to communicate across 121 privacy subchannels without hauling pounds of heavy spare batteries. Integrated USB-C lithium batteries versus field-swappable AA batteries. Which power source belongs in a true long-term SHDF radio setup? Most heavy-duty emergency base camp radios are simply too bulky to throw into a lightweight bug-out bag or a compact vehicle glove compartment when space is at a premium. For maximum capability in a micro footprint, you need the MGXT 086S hand crank emergency radio. Coming in at a budget-friendly $20, this palm-sized survival terminal weighs a mere 0.51 pounds and measures just 5 inches across. Don't let the small size fool you. It packs a triple redundant power system, a robust 2,000 mAh backup battery, and a massively upgraded 3-watt triple LED flashlight, throwing 140 lumens of pure blinding light. Imagine an unexpected regional blackout forces you to abandon your vehicle in the dark. This tiny lifesaver triggers a piercing 80 decibel SOS distress alarm to signal rescue teams when you lack the physical energy to shout. Would you rather pack a tiny 0.5-pound pocket emergency radio like this, or carry a full-sized, full-featured desktop survival radio in your bug-out bag? You can also find our complete vetted gear collection at gearlabofficial.com. Everything curated, field-tested, and organized in one place for your loadout. Most people mistakenly think a standard land-based walkie-talkie can handle the brutal, unpredictable elements of a severe coastal crisis or a localized flooding event. They can't. When the floodwaters rise and the grid goes completely dark, you need professional-grade, marine-certified communication power. That is why you need the Cobra BlueBound 350 VHF handheld marine radio. Coming in at around $120, this submersible beast packs a massive 6-watt switchable transmitter that optimizes your range and punches through heavy weather to hit distant rescue stations. It features Tri-Watch mode, allowing you to simultaneously monitor International Distress Channel 16, Channel 9, and your own custom tactical channel without missing a single emergency broadcast. Imagine a catastrophic hurricane surge tearing through your neighborhood. If this radio takes an unexpected plunge into the deep, Cobra's signature float, in-flash orange core ensures it pops right to the surface and lights up for instant recovery, while its IPX7 waterproof rating keeps it running flawlessly. Backed by a 12-hour battery life and 12 NOAA weather channels, this is a literal lifeline for maritime and overland survival. Let's start a debate in the comments. For heavy weather emergency comms, do you trust a dedicated VHF marine radio, or do you stick strictly to standard land-based frequencies? Let me know why. While standard desktop systems monitor the home front, taking a fragile consumer walkie-talkie onto a vertical rock face or a sub-zero mountain route is a surefire way to snap an antenna and lose contact. For maximum vertical and wilderness durability, step up to the Walkie-Talkie Mountain Radio. Priced at roughly $220 for a 2-pack, these ultra-rugged FRS handhelds transmit at a maximum legal 2 watts without requiring an FCC license. Key specifications include a thermoplastic protective shell, an IP56 weather rating, and a specialized lithium-ion battery that delivers a staggering 4 full days of power even in brutal sub-freezing cold. Imagine pushing hard through an unexpected blizzard in the Rocky Mountains. This radio secures directly to your pack via a climbing-rated carabiner and a metal-reinforced leash, ensuring your team maintains crystal-clear communication down the mountain trail. Integrated climbing carabiners or a traditional tactical maul pouch. What is the most secure way to mount your comms gear when moving over rough terrain? And now, the one I promised you at the start of the video. This is product number 13, and it is the single most important, battle-tested communication item on this entire list that I would grab first if the power grid collapsed tomorrow morning. Here's why. This is the Midland GXT1000VP4 GMRS two-way radio. Priced at around $90 for the complete dual-pack kit, this heavy-duty system outputs a maximum legal 5 watts of power across 50 GMRS channels, flashing an advertised line-of-sight range of up to 36 miles. Weighing 11 ounces, it boasts a JIS-4 water-resistant rating, 142 privacy codes creating over 5,500 channel combinations, and an advanced 9-level EVOX voice activation engine. But the real tactical advantage lies in its dual-power architecture. Imagine you are 3 weeks into a severe, multi-state grid-down disaster zone. Your rechargeable nickel batteries are completely depleted. With this kit, you simply drop in standard, shelf-stable AA alkaline batteries, lock onto the built-in NOAA weather alerts, and instantly regain structural command of your perimeter. At this price point, this is the easiest investment you will make for your family's security this year. That is 13 of the most essential crisis-ready communication items available on Amazon right now. Which one of these are you ordering first to secure your perimeter? Tell me down in the comments. I want to see your tactical loadout strategy. Also, for our Spanish-speaking community, don't forget to check out and subscribe to GearLab ESP for all Top Gear reviews and survival tips in your language. If this video helped you find a field-tested lifeline that could save your family's life, smash that like button right now and share this video with one person in your circle who is currently not prepared. You might end up saving more than just your own life. Subscribe to Gear Lab for weekly gear intelligence. Stay prepared, stay sharp. I'll see you in the next one.